In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a logo inside the Gamma app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is head on over to the gamma.app website. Now log into your account. Once we've done that, we want to go ahead and navigate to the left-hand side. Now from here, we want to click onto themes. Now inside of themes, we can control the colors, fonts, and logo designs of your gammas. So we can go ahead and import theme if you want, or click on create new. I'm just going to build a new theme for this demonstration. Now from here, I'm going to pick some colors. So I might go with this template like so. Now from here, we want to go ahead and click on continue, and then choose your font. So I'm going to go with Inter, continue again, and now choose your design. So I'm going to go with a standard design. Now from here, we can add your logo if you like. So this is where we can go ahead and upload your logo. So go ahead and click to upload. Now here's my logo here inside of my computer. I'm going to go ahead and add that, click continue, and then give this theme a name. So I'm just going to call this test. So that's how to add a logo in the Gamma app.